I wonder how I look sweet when I'm not. I can be mean sometimes. And in fact, I am. A lot of times I can be. So anyway, so they find my Facebook. They ask me for friendship. They get the friendship, let's say. And one of the first things I get asked is, well, can you guess what I get asked? Can you even guess? Look at this goodness. Look at this fish and rice. It's just amazing. The taste of this is unparalleled. I don't know how to describe it. It's sweet, it's curry. Now with the fish. Yeah, so almost immediately after they get my friendship, they ask me for what? Yeah? Yeah, that's right. Pictures. All the girls out there, you know what's up. Boys ask for pictures. And not any kind of pictures, but naked pictures. Most of the time. Some of them are too shy. Some of them say fitness pictures or bikini pictures or whatever, you know. I know it's the nude photos that they're after. And then what do you say to boys like that? I mean, yeah, you're cute, and here's a few of my naked photos. Or do you say like, yeah, okay, I'll give you some bikini pictures, but who are you? You know, here's some nude shots, bikini shots. I send them to all the men that don't know me and that I don't know. I just send my pictures out. I mean, is that what they expect? Do they think they're that cute? Do they think that they're that good looking? And have that much chance with me? Just, I mean, the element of surprise here is just, you can't hide it. I wanted to unbox everything in front of the camera and in front of you, so you can see how surprised I am by some of these tastes. I truly have never tried the curry before, and it shows. 1, I probably don't know how to eat it. 2, I'm too excited by the taste. 3, I lick everything that's in my way that's touched this curry. So anyway, so the first thing that they do is they ask me for pictures. Now, I ask them, what makes you think I have pictures like that? And what makes you think I would give them to you? I mean, have you even subscribed to my YouTube channel? I have 2 YouTube channels. Are you a subscriber to any of them? And most of them say no. Because they're not interested in YouTube. They're only interested in love. Virtual romance. By the way, a lot of these boys are from like the Asian and Arabic parts of the world, but I get boys from everywhere. I get boys from Russia, Europe, America, pretty much all over the world. But a big majority of them, a lot of them I've noticed, come from India and Pakistan. And like, for example, Pakistan. That's a country with 81 million. I mean, and I told the last boy that asked me for pictures that was from Pakistan, I said, listen, your country has 81 million people. I said, how are these 81 million, half of whom are boys, and maybe half of whom are single boys, so that'd be 20 million boys? How are they going to find girls on the internet who are from Europe or from America or from any part of the world that has like more democratic, more free values? I mean, how are you expecting to find, because one of the boys said, I'm just looking for a girl. Well, if you're looking for a girl, there's 81 million people in your country. How do you expect that these people are going to get matched up on the internet with like cute girls from Europe or America? I mean, that's a lot of freaking matches and a lot of freaking boys to go around. There's too many boys, desperate boys. There are just too many and they're too desperate and they're always like, they're always ready, you know, for a romance, and they're always needy and they're always seeking. I'm sorry, but there's just one of me. Not enough of me to go around. Sorry to burst your bubble. And the boys are like, you selfish girl. Like, how am I selfish? I'm not allowing you to have my pictures and that makes me selfish. I'm not allowing you to enter my friend circles and that's selfish. How about you? Look at yourself. What are you doing? Stalking girls on the internet. You know? Oh my goodness. This food is amazing. Yeah, so all of them are like shocked, you know, that I would say something like that. Or some of them say like, tell me about yourself, you know. Tell me about yourself. Talk about yourself. Hey, listen, I have over 1,000 friends on Facebook. I don't have no time to tell you about myself, even if I wanted to. And no, I'm not going to tell random strangers about myself.